god. 1953, boys. 1953. Holy shit. Haha. Shout out Charmin running. Fucking windy. It's raining as well. Pleasant weather though. Hoping it'll be better tomorrow. These cranes definitely move in the wind, you know. I'm dead still right now. Oh my god, look how much we're moving! Oh my days. Holy shit, we're still going. We just did a good 20-degree rotation. And look, we're going back the other way now. This is mad. I can see that crane's doing the same. Fucking hell, man. I feel like I'm on a ship right now. Driving this ship. Let's go left. What? Can't believe we managed to guess the fucking code. It's crazy to think how electricity changed the landscape. Just think how many light bulbs are switched on right now across the globe. A little bit windy. Jeez. Never quite had a bird's eye view of the train station like this before. Oh, you must have seen that moving there. Fucking hell. You see my trousers? Alright then, let's see if that one's locked or not. What the fuck was that? Not gonna lie, that kind of sounded like it was in the sight. What are the chances it's the same code, boys? Haha! Whoa! Okay, this one is rotating like fucking mad. Holy imagine being on the top of the gym at this sort of time? Holy fuck! This thing is a spinning top. Yeah, this one's moving way more than that one. They're both swinging though. Each one of these blocks is over 4 tons. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Oh my fucking god. So sick. This is what I call 2 for 1. Buy one, get one free. This is the most intense wind ever. I feel like I'm in a wind tunnel. Such a strange feeling when everything you're standing on is rotating. Oh, it's almost giving me a little bit like a seasick feeling. I think that's a security guard for the site. Fucking hell, he is. Okay, I don't know if that was good or bad timing, to be honest. That guy is patrolling the site. But anyway, I'll see you boys tomorrow. How sick is this? It's not sunny because there's loads of clouds where the sun is, but right above us, beautifully blue. This is so visible. This is going to make this a bit awkward. I can't actually fit down there unless I climb up the outside of it, and that feels too dangerous. But man, I think this is as high as I can go. Hopefully this ambulance is not for me. Alright, good. It's so annoying. If this wasn't here, 100% I'd go to the top. I'm going to have to leave this one, these two. Absolutely incredible view. The crane's rotating. The sun's coming out, peeking over those moody clouds. Oh, it's beautiful. Lovely stuff. Whoa, that's a bit unsettling, how wobbly that is. Beautiful, looking right over the station. Sun's out. Alright, it was a blue sky. Gone a bit overcast again. Oh my god, there's a bit of a rainbow. It's pretty faint, but it must be raining over there. Okay, that's a police car. Let's see where he goes. He's coming right. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no, it turned the lights off and it slowed right down. Uh-oh. Oh no. Fuck, that could be bad news. I think they're here for me, you know. There's no one at the bottom of the crane yet. I think that means it was more likely a member of public. Oh fuck. Yeah, there's police at the gate. There's a chance I could get away with this. There's a gate right down there, and the police came to it a second ago, but he only just looked in and then walked away. He was there for like 30 seconds maybe. I think it's actually snowing. It's raining, but some bits that have fallen like snow. I don't think the police know where I am. All right, I'm gonna go down. Oh fuck. Oh fuckity fuck. He might have just seen me, you know. And by might have, I mean definitely just saw me. Community support here. He's not out of his car though. If that's not for me, that is an insane coincidence. But if he's for me, why isn't he right outside the site then? Do you know what I mean? I can't tell if he's looking at me or not. What are the chances they're waiting for me? Community support right opposite. Police pulled up at the site. Okay, I'm not trespassing. Alright, cool, they're not for me. That's not for me either. Another fire engine, fucking hell. Oh no, here's the police. Please don't pull up. Oh my god, there's two police. Holy shit. They just went past. We made it. That was intense. Woo! Little police escape. That was sick nonetheless. Just before we end this video, I've always wanted to try out this roof. It is raining, so I need to be careful. And that is what I mean by I need to be careful. I'm gonna stack it like I did in Bristol. Insert the clip. Ouch. It's slippy here, but it's not actually as bad as it is over there. Famous last words, but I mean, that's amazing, isn't it? I'm literally 1 story up and those people didn't see me. How the fuck? All right, that's the end of the video now. Peace.